Alright, well, as you can hear in the background, it's cicada season, so they're singing their horny little bug brains out in the chance they get to mate. But this is the cabinet that came with that Sears Kenmore machine. As you can see, it's got some paint on it, a big scratch in it. The lid here, clearly there's been a lot of moisture in here because this finish is completely gone, but I'm not gonna worry about this because if I start refinishing this, I'm gonna have to redo the whole thing from the ground up, and I just don't have the time or energy for that. If I had a friend that I was going to give this to, I would probably spend some more time on it, but I do not have anybody I know that needs this machine, so it's just going to, once it gets fixed up and I get it back in the cabinet here, I'm going to haul it to a thrift shop and hope that it finds a new home with someone else. So, these cabinets, Sears got them made for a variety of machines. So it's got different sets of hinges. This machine, I'm pretty sure, went on both of these red hinges. So just gonna tip it back here, center it up. There, yep. Luckily, they're both very loose, so you can just set it on there, tip it back, and then find the screw on here. This screw is straight like all of the ones I usually interact with, but the screw over here is, once I get my screwdriver lined up on it, at an angle, because that hinge goes into the back of the bobbin gear case. So there. So we got that machine in place. I put the bobbin door back on, and it folds down in like it should. So there it is. The 1318 all fixed and back in its cabinet, and it's going to head off to the thrift shop to do a good job sewing for somebody.